got myself some CDs the other day to write on, and they were on this really cool thing, and I was thinking to make this into a table for Lorie and putting some decorations into these parts here. So I'm going to use my resin for that, my UV hard resin, and I'm going to use glitter, and I'm going to stick with blue, of course, as he is in all blue. So I have different kind of glitter here. Let's see what I like to use. And I have some blue flowers and more glitter. And I'm just going to pour some of my resin in one of these compartments. And actually you don't have to fill it all up, just enough to fill out. I'm going to make another layer on these fours, and I'm just going to put a lot of white glitter in there to make like the bottom of these. I glued on a CD, a real CD on the back side of this because I like the way it's shining. Then I put on some UV gel on the top side here because it was really scratched and I didn't like that look, so that helped a lot. And I cut out 3 pieces of MDF wood, a bigger circle, and as you can see it's still smaller than my table plate, and 2 small ones that have the same size. And if you don't have this thing I found here, you can also cut this out of wood instead. I am going to glue together these 2 ones, and I'm going to glue this one until the bottom of the plate, but I'm going to paint it all before I glue it to the tabletop. But first I'm going to glue these 2 together. I'm normally not that good with hot glue, but I'm going to use it for this. So I am going to glue these parts together, and then I have this thing I made of bamboo skewer. They are 7.5 centimeters tall, and I'm going to glue them on here with a lot of hot glue so that they will sit just like I want to, like that. And I'm just going to take my hot glue off because this one is like dripping when it's just standing there. So I'm making sure that this in the middle is standing upright. And I have this umbrella I made of paper. I will put on the link after this video. And I'm going to drill a hole in the middle of this one from this side. And I'm going to make it big enough for my umbrella to be in, so that it can be over my tabletop. And I got my husband to do the sanding on these corners because he has his way to do that, so it doesn't take like forever.